It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see it goes.
Alright guys, so I am about to put up my curtains. So I've finished cleaning that, and these are the curtains that I'm putting up. So when you just enter the room, this is my closet, and I put this black and white curtain. Well, and then the curtain over there is just white, and I thought I did not carry it. I had this one last year and I didn't carry it when I was buying the other one. So yeah, that's happened. Anyways, and then this is my small bed, the bed I sleep on right now. I bought this sheet in Bashco. I bought this in Hoa Square. And those, yeah, I had since whenever, yeah. And then over here you have my little chair. I use this as a table, like a night table sometimes, but yeah, for like when visitors come in and stuff like that. All right, and then this is the big bed that my sister used to sleep on. So over here you have my pillows, and these are the same pillows I had, like the purple and the green ones, but I took them off and I put the Christmassy ones on. So all these I bought in the covers. I bought in Hoa Square. It's my pretty little thing from home. This is not going to be there, that's for my sister, so she's going to put on her mat today. Then over here I have like, well, this is the card I got on my gift yesterday, and then this is my earphone and just my lanyard, and yeah, just a little thing to hang. Anyways, and this is my calendar section, so you know that's to come down. Then I have my lovely Christmas lights, you know, fairy lights. And then over here I do have, this was outside last year, but we have many decorations outside, so I took it, and I'm not taking off my name. You got my mat. I had that from last year. I remember, I think I bought it in Kelly's. I'm not even sure. Then over here you have my bookcase, and on it you have my to-do list. I have these with this to take off. That do already, but this not do. I'm gonna do it today because I'm gonna do my hair. So anyways, then up here I have like, these are all nail stuff. I have, this is crooked. Don't know why. Every minute this girl drop your crown. You don't want your crown. Anyways, I have my mannequin head that I sometimes used to make like wig and such. My mom's one. And then behind it I have like wipes. Over here is my hair stuff. Yeah, so I had my combs like in my pan in there, so but it always just like get jumbled and ugly, so I got a pan and I put it there. Don't know why this is here. That's supposed to be over there. All right, so this is my hair section. Yeah, and then in here, right here I have all my hair stuff. Up here I have like clips and bandos. Down here I have like things I used to set my hair, cover my hair, things like that. Over here is the random box. I always have random stuff in it. Yeah, some of them are flow over. Still need to get rid of some of them, you know, find new homes for them, but not right now. Down there my book section, then my shoes. Over here like electronics and stuff. So yeah, and that chair is for my sister. I'm gonna be keeping that because she don't have the space for it. And then over here I have like my wash basket, my fan. This will not be staying, that will not be staying, but this is my yoga mat or exercise mat. Over here is my school section, my hair cream, a sharpener, my vape mat because mosquitoes, you know, and some like pencil cases and stuff like that. Then my dresser over here. Right here is my makeup section. Yeah, makeup section. Then I got over here my perfumes, and yeah, I get these and they reach from this already. Yeah, but I don't need them. No, this not there, so I don't know why it's enough. Anyways, so this is my jewelry section, and then over here I just have a little decoration. So I got my sister and my ugly dad Tanash. Anyways, and then this camera that does not work as well, you know, but it's there for decoration. This is my candle I love so much. And then this vase that's, you know, there for decoration and all. I have another, what I call it, frame around there. Got my doll and to put my watch, my custom made watch, and then a little ducky, and that's supposed to be like that. And yeah, that is the room. That's the Christmas room decor for y'all. Hi guys, so your girl this is editing me. I'm actually editing this vlog and realized I didn't start this vlog and I didn't end it either. So this is me coming on to end this video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. I didn't put a lot of thought in my room this year like I did to the bathroom. I think this year I mostly focused on my bathroom. Last year I did focus on my room, but this year I did not. I focused on my bathroom. So my bathroom turned out great. I'm not saying my room's not great because I love it, but it's not as great. But yeah. Oh yes, I will include a clip of my room in the night because it's actually night now and it looks cute in the night. Just the lights, just want to show you guys the lights. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what you guys think of my room. I don't know, let me know in the comments down below. Today's subscriber outfit day goes out to Sarah Adventures. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, and for commenting. It means so much. Thank you for joining the family. If you have not yet joined the family, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.